Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legalbee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for any competitive exams after your law, you are at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legalbee and stay tuned with us for all such kind of videos which are helpful for your exam preparation. If you have any doubts, queries in your preparation, you are stuck anywhere, reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexambee.com. Call us on this number or visit our website www.iexambee.com. You can check out all the courses available on iExamBee's website. You can also check the demo of these courses. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. Today I am going to continue with a series of 300 important MCQs that have started for IBPS SO Law Officer and UIIC Legal Exam 2024. As I have already told you in my previous video that I will be covering the separate acts for both the exams and also the common subjects for both the examinations. So stay tuned to Legalbee and take the benefit of all the videos. Today I am going to discuss RBI Act that is helpful for your banking laws for IBPS SO Law Officer exam preparation. What is CPA as per RBI Act 1934? Consumer Price Index, Consumer Price Incentive, Cost Price Index, Consumer Potential Index, Constant Price Index. Correct answer is A, Consumer Price Index. As per RBI Act Section 2, BVA, it covers the concept of Consumer Price Index. It means the Consumer Price Index combined that is published by the Government of India and it changes from time to time. Inflation, it is monthly change in consumer price, yearly change in consumer price index, yearly change in monthly consumer price index expressed in terms of percentage, monthly change in yearly consumer price index expressed in terms of percentage, monthly change in consumer price index expressed in the decimals. Correct answer is C, yearly change in monthly consumer price index expressed in the terms of percentage. Correct answer is C. So RBI Act 1934 Section 2 Clause CI covers the meaning of inflation and it is the year-wise change. RBI, established under Section 3, has taken over currency management from whom? Central government, state government, national bank, Ministry of Finance, commercial and cooperative banks. Very simple, central government was earlier having this power, so that has been transferred to the Reserve Bank. Section 3 covers this point. A bank to be called as the Reserve Bank of India shall be constituted for the purposes of taking over the management of currency from the central government and of carrying on the business of banking in accordance with the provisions of this Act. What is capital of Reserve Bank of India as per the RBI Act 1934? 5 crores, 10 crores, 50 crores, 1 crore, no limit set by the Act. Correct answer is A, Section 4, capital of the bank, it shall be 5 crore of rupees. Section 4 covers this point. Meetings of the central board shall be covered yearly, quarterly, 6 times in each year, once in each quarter, both C and D. Correct answer is E, both C and D. The requirements are 6 times in each year and also once in each quarter. That is covered under Section 13, meetings of the central board. RBI is authorized to accept deposit without interest from central government, state governments, central governments and banks, central and state governments, local authorities and banks, central, state governments, local authorities, banks and any other persons. So RBI is authorized to accept deposit without interest from whom? Correct answer is E, central state governments, local authorities, banks and any other persons. Business which the bank may transact is covered under Section 17 that authorizes the bank to carry on and transact the several kinds of business, herein specified namely. So in that, one is accepting of money on deposit without interest and that will be from central government, state government, local authorities, banks and any other persons as well. Which of the following is not true about RBI transacting government business in India? It is an obligation as well as right of bank to transact government business in India. Central government shall entrust the bank with the management of public debt. Central government shall entrust the bank with power to issue new loans for management of public debt. Terms and conditions for transacting government business shall be determined by the RBI. Any agreement made for transacting government business shall be laid before the Parliament. What has been asked over here? What is not true? Means which is false out of all these options about RBI transacting government business in India. Correct answer is D. That is, dealing with the terms and conditions for transacting government business shall be determined by the RBI. That is what is not true. Rest are all correct. Obligation of the bank to transact government business. Bank is having right to transact government business. Bank is having the right to transact government business in India. Section 21 covers this point. Obligation of the bank to transact government business, 20 provides for this. Form of banknote shall be as may be approved by dash on the recommendations of central government and central board. Central government approved by central government on the recommendations of governor. Approved by RBI on the recommendations of central government. Approved by central government on the recommendations of RBI. Approved by central board on the recommendations of central government. So what about the form of banknotes that has been asked over here? Correct answer is A. Form of banknotes shall be as may be approved by central government on the recommendations of central board. Section 25 covers this. Legal tender character of notes is provided under which section of RBI Act? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is a simple direct question, and legal tender character of notes is an important topic as well. Correct answer is B. Section 26 covers this. Every banknote shall be a legal tender at any place in India, and it shall be guaranteed by whom? Who gives this guarantee? Central government, state government, central board of RBI, governor of RBI, nationalized bank of respective local area. Correct answer is A. Central government gives this guarantee. Legal tender character of notes is covered under section 26. In that, this point is covered that it will be guaranteed by the central government. Central board of directors also includes dash government officials or nominated by dash. So central board of directors includes 1. Government official nominated by whom? Central government, nominated by state government, and the official shall be 1 or it shall be 2. It shall be 2. So what has been asked over here, central board of directors includes how many officials and they will be nominated by whom? That is what is the question that has been asked over here. Correct answer is A. It shall include 1 government official and it shall be nominated by central government. Section 8(1) clause D covers this point. What is the maximum term of office of the governor of RBI? No fixed term is there. 5 years are there, 10 years, 3 years, 7 years. So the maximum term of office of the governor of RBI is, answer is B, 5 years. Section 8 clause 4, governor and deputy governor shall hold office for such term not exceeding 5 years as the central government may fix when appointing them and shall be eligible for reappointment. A retiring director shall not be eligible for renomination, be eligible for renomination, be eligible to act as an advisor only, not be eligible for any position in connection with RBI works, be eligible for elimination. So what is the meaning of retiring director? Retiring director, and basically what they have asked over here that he is eligible for what all things. So he will be eligible for renomination. Over here, looking at the options, you have to determine the correct answer. Section 8 clause 7 covers this, that he is eligible for renomination. Business which the bank may transact is covered under which section of RBI Act? Again, an important area. In the previous questions, we have covered this section already. I hope you might be remembering that. Correct answer is A, section 17. Very important section from RBI Act. Please be thoroughly prepared with this. Functions of RBI, business bank may transact, obligations, right to carry out the business of government, all these things, legal tender character of notes. ये सारे RBI Act के important areas हैं जहाँ से हम questions expect कर सकते हैं. What is issue department in RBI? Department to issue coins, department to stamp notes, department to issue notes which is present separate from the banking department, department to issue notes which is common with the banking department, department to take challenges to issue of banknotes. So what is the issue department in RBI has been asked over here. Correct answer is C, department to issue notes which is present separate from the banking department. Correct answer is C. Section 23 covers this point, issue department. This is also one important area like relating to issue notes and all. So RBI Act is a very short act. If you focus on the important provisions from this legislation, definitely you can score well if a question comes from this law. Also, I would like to update you that there is a free workshop on how to study new criminal laws and also the expected type of questions that can come from these areas. So do join for this workshop. It is going to be there at 8 p.m. Registration link is there in the description on 26 November, Tuesday, 8 p.m. So you can find the registration link in the description of this video. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. Prepare 50% faster with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody.